Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add aura effect in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and click on Start a New Project. For this aura effect, you'll need an image of a character without a background. Once you have your image, go to Adjustments and scroll down to see all adjustment options. Set brightness and highlights to 50. Next, select curves at the top and follow along as I adjust them. After adjusting, go to Effects at the top left and select the Retro folder. Scroll down to find and add the JVC effect. Extend this effect to fit the entire video length. Set strength to 100, filter to 0, and adjust the color as you prefer. Copy this effect and paste it 2 more times. Now, go to Video Effects and choose the Nightclub folder. Look for Black Flash 2 and add it. Set twist, size, and speed to 100, and strength to 0. Then, copy and paste this effect 6 more times. Return to Video Effects, go to the Distortion folder and select Distortion. Next, select your clip and all the effects together. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Set this compound clip as an overlay and import your initial image again. Select your image, copy it, and paste it to create an overlay. Make sure the aura clip is set as Layer 1 and the character image as Layer 2. To change the aura color, go to Adjustment and modify the saturation and temperature to achieve your desired color. And that's it! If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching!